Hello all! Welcome to my channel. This is May. So, luto tayo ng lunch guys. Lunch ko ngayon is, ito lang siya, Chinese sausage. Spicy ito siya guys. Spicy. And I love it. Ay, sausage, parang chorizo guys. Hindi ko alam anong tawag dito. But, it's so yummy guys. I-mix sa fried rice. Kaya stay tuned guys. And you may get some ideas how to make your fried rice yummy. So, pwede siyang carrots, pwede din siyang corns, pwede din celery. Up to you guys, anong ilalagay ninyong vegetables sa inyong fried rice. While here, the only available is carrots. Kaya ito siya, cut into cubes, small cubes. Then, yung chorizo man siguro ito, no? Fry ninyo slowly in a low fire guys, kasi masusunog siya pag high fire. Dahan-dahan siya. Then if gusto pa ninyo ng spicy, you can add more chili. Here, dahil super spicy na ito siya guys, so I only add some black pepper. Then after that, add your carrots. Kasi nga yung carrots is medyo it takes time guys. Pero pwede naman siyang makain na hilaw ang carrots. So there. Mix them well. Fried. Ganito lang siya guys. Maliit lang yung wok ko. Kasi ako lang ngayon ang mag-lunch. Ako lang ang mag-lunch dahil mag-yamcha sila. Kaya, by the way, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And a piece of advice guys, in all of your food na kakainin, there must be some vegetable. Ano mang klaseng vegetable guys, basta vegetable siya to make it balance. So, bihira na akong kumakain ng rice, but today I have no other option. Kasi nga, wala nang ibang mapupulot sa ref. So, old rice, stir fry with chorizo man siguro ito, no? But I call it Chinese sausage, guys. Then, add some carrots. It's yummy, guys. I assure you, masarap ito. Kaya, try it, guys. Kapag hindi siya spicy, pwede yung ganito din para sa mga bata or if you have children at home. So, mabilis lang siya. Pwede din kayo magdagdag ng egg. There you go. It's almost done. Magic lang gawa ko, guys. Magic. Kasi ako lang naman kakain, diba? Kaya simple cooking, simple living. And here you go. Tapos na siya. Ready to serve. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time. And thank you for watching. Please do share it with your community, guys. Happy tummy and live a healthy lifestyle. Thank you again for watching. Bless everyone.